The robotic bandsaw precisely divides the chilled lamb carcass into major sections, separating the forequarter from the hindquarter.
Precision removal of excess exterior fat from the primal cut destined for process A.
A purified water wash and gentle brush cleaning remove microscopic fragments. The runoff is captured and recycled through a closed filtration system.
Utilizing the LR-25 model, the automated laser system projects bright green lines onto the primal.
The rack moves into a small enclosed booth where ultra-high pressure streams of chilled, sterilized water
The finished rack, perfectly trimmed with pale pink muscle and glistening bone-white ribs, is rotated slowly beneath.
The lamb racks pass through the industrial metal detector, followed by automated weight verification. Any
The LR-25 bone-white lamb racks are stacked by the robotic arm in an optimized interlocking pattern for maximum efficiency in cold storage. The automated dicing machine rapidly cuts the muscle trimmings into precise 1-inch cubes, optimizing them for grinding.
A sample is taken for rapid analysis, confirming the precise lean-to-fat ratio. This
This is the GL40 deep red mince. Confirm scan.
All right, move this row directly to the loading dock. We need to maintain the temperature.
The large white truck reverses precisely, minimizing the time the finished product to amperature.
Pallet 3 of the GL40 is clear. Confirmed. I'm signing off on the manifest now. This is the best dinner we've had in a while.
I agree. The lamb is so tender. Mom, this is amazing.
This facility, utilizing process A and B, is capable of producing the new Model G.
The trucks in Sector Gamma are ahead of schedule.
Confirmed. Monitor the GL40 inventory levels in the European hubs.
Wow, the flavor is incredible.
Notice the deep red color and perfect consistency of the GL40. We emphasize this quality in your training. Now, into the pan. The color consistency and texture of this ground lamb mince are guaranteed.
Yeah.
It's the finest bulk mince we produce.
This is incredible. The lamb is so flavorful.